Hey guys, Bully Kid here checking in, and on today's video I'm going to tell you guys about camber bolts. What are the uses of these? Why do we need these things? What do they help with? I don't know, but you will after this video, so stay tuned. And if you are new to this channel, hit that subscribe button down below, smash that notification icon to stay up to date with all my videos. Alright, what we have here are called camber bolts. We use camber bolts in the suspension of your vehicle in order to adjust the camber of the vehicle. By using this simple bolt, which is a cost-effective method, you can adjust camber in or camber out. It's a very simple design: a bolt, a washer, and a nut. Pretty much there's a camshaft-like device on the bolt, and depending on how you adjust the bolt on your strut, it's going to either bring the tire in or out, or in other words, camber in and camber out. Simple yet effective method. A lot of people use these to enhance fitment. A lot of people use this to adjust suspension components after an accident, or just fine-tune after lowering your vehicle. These can adjust your camber plus or minus up to 2.5 degrees of camber in either direction. So first, locate the bolt you will be replacing. There's usually two bolts on this strut assembly. You can actually add the camber bolts on both. For this example, we will only be using it on the top bolt. Quite simply, just install the bolt. Make sure you guys pay attention where the arrow is. That's usually the highest point of the camshaft on the bolt. And as you guys can rotate that bolt, you can see how the tire, the whole knuckle assembly, is moving inward to give you that maximum negative camber. Now, if you're going to the track, you definitely want to add negative camber, or if you just want to lower your vehicle and clear the tire, you want negative camber. Sometimes if you have too much negative camber, you can adjust it to be more positive. But some people also just prefer to fine-tune it so there is zero camber on their car. If you have too much negative camber, your tires will wear out on the inside, such as mine did. Now this is excessive wear, which led to my tire blowing out and half the thread peeling out on the highway. Alright guys, well that's it for today's video. Now I hope you guys get a better understanding of camber bolts and what they're used for. Maybe now you guys can get that onto your suspension and rock that fitment you guys really want. Anyway, thank you guys for watching again, and be sure to stay tuned for other videos. So if you're not subscribed already, I think you should hit that subscribe button and stay up to date.
I ain't here for the money, I ain't here for the fame. Though it might be nice to own a jet plane, I'ma do it all for you. Come along and see